Jain, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome in this video. Here in this video we are going to solve the annual examination paper for subject IT. The code is 402. So this is a set 1. Here we'll solve the only and only MCQs question for the today's exam. So the first MCQ question is an ICT system consists of the option is input, output, hardware, software and communication and data and information. The correct answer of the question is B. The hardware and software. The next question is an ICT, the communication technology refers to the option given are internet, telephone, mobile, SMS. The correct option for the question is A, that is internet is a correct option. Now the next question is third number question. A computer works on the principle of option is given here input, process, output and all of the above. The correct answer is D, all of the above. So the next question is question number 4. What is a set of instructions that directly the computer to process information? The option given here compiler, software, hardware and CPU. The correct answer of this question is B, that is software. Now the next question is semiconductor memory is also known as the option given here main memory, flash memory, secondary memory, none. The correct option of the question is that is main memory. A is the correct option. Now the next question is identify the odd one out, means here four options are given here where which one are odd we have to find out. The first is application software, system software and utility software and Python program. So D is a correct option for the question, that is Python program, because these are the software and this is only the program. Now the next question is 7 number. Daisy wheel printer is a type of which type of printer is Daisy wheel printer? That is matrix printer, impact printer, laser printer or manual printer. The correct answer of the question is that is B, impact printer. So the question number 8 of set A is one disadvantages of laser printer is the option given here, it is quieter than impact printer, it is very slow printer, the output is of the lower quantity and none. The correct option of the question is A, it is quieter than impact. Now the question number 9, which of the following device can be used to directly image printed text? The option of the correct answer of the question is question number 9, that is A, that is our OCR, optical character recognition. Now the next question number 10. Question number 10 is the output quality of a printer is measured by, means how the quality is measured by the printer is, that is option A is a correct option, that is dot per inch. Now the next question number 11. The users can enter the data through, means option is given here, among them how the user enters the data, that is the correct option is C, that is keyboard. Now the question number 12. Which device is used to read for reading answer sheet by the means of light? We have option given here MICR and OCR, OMR and joystick. The correct answer of the question is that is OMR, optical marks recognizer, that is a reader. C is the correct option for the question. Now the question number 13. Which of the following is an output device? Means options are given here. Among this option, B is a correct option, that is printer. Now the next question is impact printer operates like a dash option is given. Among this option, the typewriter is a correct option, that is called option number A. Now the next question is 15 number question. A light pen is a light pen is a pointing device, that is the A is a correct option for the question. Now the 16 number question. The objective type of a question can be evaluated through, the option is given here OMR, optical mark recognition, magnetic character readers and none. The correct answer of this question is that is OMR, optical marks readers, that is A is a correct option. Now the next question is 17 number. An impact printer uses what technology it does uses inkjet technology or thermal technology and electromagnetic and none. The correct answer of the question is C, electromechanism it uses. Now the next question is 18 number question. A laser printer uses, means what does a laser printer uses? Generally a laser printer uses heat sensitive paper, sorry it is paper is here, so heat sensitive paper is a correct option for the question C. Now the next question is 19 number. Identify the odd one which is not a operating system. Since there among the four option, the open office is not a operating system, so D is a correct option for the question number 19. Now the question number 20. Slide area is called, slide area is also called as the presentation area. C is a correct option for question number 20. Now the question number 21. In the PowerPoint window, What's the main area for adding the slide content? Among this option, the slide pane is a correct option for this question. So C is a correct option. Now the question number 22. The default file name for the PowerPoint file is presentation 1. That is the A is a correct option for question number 22. Now to come to the question number 23. The PowerPoint 2010 presentation file saved with an extension of what? Generally it's saved with the extension of .pptx, means C is a correct option for this question. Now the question number 24. Question number 24 is to insert a new slide in a current presentation we choose among this shortcut. A is a correct option, means CTRL plus M. All these were the question of set A. Now we are coming to the question set B. Here I am doing only exercise MCQs, means doing the exam MCQs question. This is for the set B. In the set B, the first question is, what is a set of instruction that directly computer to process information? That is software is a correct option, that is program or software. B is a correct option for this question. Now the next question is, a semiconductor memory is also known as that is man memory. Okay, now the next question number 3rd. Identify the odd one out, means which one is odd? Certainly D is odd, means Python program. Now the question number 4. One disadvantage of the laser printer is that it is quieter than impact printer. The question answer of question number 4 is A. Now the question number 5. The output quality of a printer is measured by dot per inch, means question number 5th, the answer is option A. Now the question number 6. The user can enter data through keyboard. C is a correct option for question number 6, set B. Now the next come to the question number 7. Which of the following is an output device? Which one is the output device? Among these 4 options, the B is a correct option, that is printer. Now the next question number 8. A pen, light pen is a pointing device, means A is a correct option for question number 8. Now then come to the question number 9. The objective type question can be evaluated through. The objective type question is generally evaluated through OMR. That is A is a correct option for the question number 9. Now come to the question number 10. An impact printer generally uses electromagnetism, that is electromagnetic. C is a correct option for the question. Now come to the question number 11. Question number 11 is, a laser printer generally uses heat sensitive paper. So C is a correct option for question number 11. Now come to the question number 12. Identify the odd one which is not an operating system. Among these 4 options, D is the correct option. Open Office Writer is not an operating system. So these are the operating system. Bharat operating system, this one was. Now come to the question number 13. A slide area is also known as the presentation area. So question number answer of the question number 13 is C. Option is a correct option. Now come to the question number 14. Question number 14 is, identify the odd one which are not operating system. Repeated question, that is the D is a correct option. Office Open Office is right. Now come to the question number 15. Question number 15. Laser printer uses heat sensitive paper, means C is a correct option for the question number 15. Now come to the question number 16. An ICT system consists of hardware and software. B is a correct option for the question number 16. Now come to the question number 17. In ICT, the communication technology refers to option is a correct option, that is internet. Question number 18. Which of the following device can be used to directly image printed text? Means you have to choose the answer. The correct option for the question number 18 is, that is OCR, means optical character recognizer. A is a correct option for question number 18. Now come to the question number 19. Question number 19 of set B is, which device is used to reading the answer by means of light? Means which one is used to read the answer by the means of light? The correct answer for the question number 19 is, that is OMR. OMR is a correct option for this question. Now come to the question number 21. A computer works on the principle of input process output, means D is a correct option for the question number 21. This all of the above. So the now question number 22. Decibel printer is a type of 22 number question. The correct option of the question is B, impact printer. B is a correct option for this question. Now they come to the question number 23. Impact printer operates like a dash. That is, it operates like a typewriter. A is a correct option for the question. Now question number 24. Question number 24 is PowerPoint 2010 presentation shipped with the extension of, generally we are asking the extension of PowerPoint, that is .pptx. These are the complete answer of the set B MCQ question. Now come to the set B answer of the question. Now come to the set C. This is the first set C. I'm going to do the MCQs question only. See, the first question is to activate the extended selection mode. The four option is given here. Among this option, F8 is a correct option, but by the mistake the F8 is not mentioned here. So you may write C, or if you have written C, and you would get a bonus mark for this one, because option is wrong here. F8 is a correct answer for this question. Now question number second. The default page orientation in Excel is, that is A. Portrait is the correct option for the question number second. These are the set C's question. Now the question number C. Question number third. Question number third is, by default the Excel sheets are, means how it is aligned, that is it is aligned left aligned, means A is a correct option for the question. Now come to the question number 4. What is the set of instructions that directly computer to process information? The answer of the question is, that is software, means B is a correct option for this question number 4. Now the question number 5. A semiconductor memory is also known as, the semiconductor memory is also known as man memory. So A is a correct option for this question. Now the question number 6. Identify the odd one out. We have to identify which one is a odd, means D is a correct option, that is Python program. Now question number 7. Decibel printer is a type of, Decibel printer is a type of impact printer. So B is a correct option for question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. All the formula start in Excel, all the formula start with equal to sign, that is A is a correct option for the question. Now the next question number 9. If you type 2 multiply 6 minus 4 in cell A1, what will be the display value, means what would be the display value? Simply you have to calculate it, it will be 4. B is a correct option for this question. Now come to the question number 10. Question number 10 is, the output quality of a printer is measured by, it is generally measured by dot per inch. A is a correct option for the question. Now come to the question number 11. The user can enter data through C, means in keyboard. Among this option, keyboard is a correct option. Now the next question number 12. Which device is used for reading answer by the means of light, means in the section C, by the means of light, generally it is used to OMR, means C is a correct option for this question number 12. Now come to the question number 13. Which of the following is an output device? Among this option, the printer is an output device. B is a correct option for the question. Now come to the question number 14. Impact printer operates like a typewriter. A is a correct option for this question. Now come to the question number 15. A light pen is a pointing device, means the answer of the question number 15 of set C is A, that is a pointing device. Now come to the question number 16. The objective type question can be evaluated through, so among this option, OMR, optical barcode readers, and MICR, that is the correct answer is OMR. A is a correct option. Now come to the question number 17. An impact printer uses, generally impact printer uses electromechanism technology. So C is a correct option for question number 17. Now come to the question number 18. The total area of chart in Excel is called, that is called plot area. A is a correct option for question number 18. Now come to the question number 19. Identify odd one which is not an operating system, that is D is a correct option, means Office Writer. This is not an operating system. Now come to the question number 20. Slide area is called Slide area is called C is a correct option. Presentation area in slide said it is slide area is known as presentation area. So C is a correct option for question number 20. Now come to the question number 21. Question number 21 is to insert a cell new slide in a current presentation. We can choose CTRL plus M. A is a correct option for question number 21. Now come to the question number 22. PowerPoint 2010 presentation file saved with an extension of, generally they are asking the extension of PPT, that option is C. .pptx is a correct option for question number 22. Now to come to the question number 23. In the PowerPoint window, what the main area of adding slide content, that is the answer of the question is, that is slide pane, means C is a correct option for this question, which is in the middle of the window. Now come last question of the set C is the default file name for the PowerPoint file is, means you have to say the file name, default file name, that is presentation 1. This is a correct answer for the today's all the papers. So if you have any confusion, you can write in the comment box. With this in Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.